What is a BMW street carver? Teamwork. Oh! All right, guys, we are super excited to be here with you today at the Fremont Skate Park.
What is this?
I have no idea. There's something inside, and we're gonna open it and see what it is.
It's already open because I shredded this box. I literally blunt slid it.
Fetty already skated this box. We made an original video on Firework TV. If you have not downloaded the app and followed Braille Skateboarding, you should do it. There's some awesome, incredible content on there.
I'm there too.
Fetty is there too.
Quick plug.
How do we open it? What is this thing?
Use your imagination.
No way. BMW Street Carver. For real?
If you didn't know, Dan got a new car and they turned his old car into this skateboard.
Dude, what the heck?
Look at the wheels.
It's a machine.
Car.
So we did have to get this slightly used off eBay because they don't make them anymore.
Looks like a praying mantis.
Oh, my toe, dude! And apparently they sold this at dealerships.
Really?
For a limited time.
No way. At BMW dealership.
Yes.
Watch your feet, Gabe.
Haha!
No. No. Hold up. Off-road anywhere.
Taking on a cruise.
Get him! Took it on a cruise. It was one of my last cruises. It doesn't.
What happened? Did you save the camera?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I found out it doesn't go down things very well.
You can see the scrape mark. Well, you can see right here where it scrapes.
Reduce the risk of serious injury and only use while wearing helmet, wrist guards, elbow pads, and knee pads.
Yeah, you're definitely wearing that.
Can you help us out with this?
Yeah.
Okay, give it a go. Since you have the full protective gear on. Oh, dude, you're shredding.
Yes,
Shredding.
I'm doing so good. I am gonna hit a bank right now.
Wow.
Literally one try, he's already way better than me.
Whoa. Dude, this thing is weird.
It's so weird.
The only thing that upsets me about this is I own a BMW and they never gave me the option to have one of these. It's just rude. BMW, we gotta talk now.
What can we do on
All right,
this?
I got nothing. Is it electric or no?
No.
Is this brand new?
This was used off of eBay because they don't make them anymore.
Oh, they don't. That's why I never got one. This is so weird.
Oh! Whoa!
Yeah! Oh my god, this is the hardest thing to push! Alright, we're going to the snake run. I bottomed out and I pulled my side at the same time. Hold on, man down. I'm done.
I gotta be honest with you, man. I knew that was gonna happen because Aaron was holding the camera. I tried to roll over the pyramid and fell. So I knew that was gonna happen, but I wanted to get it for the video.
I just pulled all of this by going into the snake run because I had no idea it was gonna bottom out.
Right there.
What is this? Wait, how is this electric?
It's not electric, gang.
Oh, I thought it was.
No. All right, someone's gotta drop in on it.
Sure.
Hey, Nigel, I don't understand how you skate this board, dude. Like, I get speed wobbles from pushing.
What can we do with this?
Just try to skate it in there.
In there? No. Should we? Okay. Oh no, street carver.
I'm going in.
It's like you're in a crater on the surface of the moon and you're gonna die. Don't you feel like just not right when you're in here?
I feel like I'm isolated from the outside world.
It's like that movie, Spaceman.
I was gonna say Tremors.
Let's go.
Whoa! You got that. You gotta land that, dude.
You gotta go up higher.
Gotta go up higher. Get in here.
You were just a little ant. Show off. Nigel, get up in here. Oh yeah, Dan, you got it. Here, let me take your phone for you. Oh!
Ain't scared every day. Let's go in the hay. Easy. Go.
Uzi's going.
I have never even ridden this thing. Let me go and start down there.
Just go, dude. Full send. Dude!
I was scared.
What are you doing?
That thing's heavy.
You gotta do it.
I told you, right? This lens is gonna do this no justice. Here we go.
Oh my gosh!
See?
I get what you mean now.
Yeah.
So wait, explain it?
So, okay, so basically you're on the surface of the moon meteorite and you go up and it stops. And then you're like, We did.
What is he doing? Whoa!
That's like the easiest way to do it.
Oh, no. Now get at least a kickflip.
Yeah, right.
It's roughly 45 degrees hotter down here.
Yeah, straight up. Okay, let me give this a dagger. Troy, be safe.
Look at that
You
mall
gotta
grab.
get out of here, dude.
Why, what's he gonna do?
I don't know.
I told you to be safe, dude!
Oh, Nigel!
I was like under, like,
He was on there like, let me get the photo!
Hey, American Ninja Warrior it.
Wow.
Oh, okay. You're right.
Wow, Gabe.
That was so fun. I forgot I fell on this elbow. Wait, or was it this one? I don't know, my body's just in pain. Troy, there you go, Troy, try it out!
All right, guys, so what is a BMW street carver? I don't even know. Let's check it out. So it appears as though it's made out of part wood, part plastic on top and bottom. The blue appears to be plastic. This is not like grip tape. It's more of like a rubbery grip tape substance, mesh, rubberish. And then, I don't know what you even call this mechanism. BMW tarantula trucks? Yeah, something like that. But it's really cool. Look at that. Doesn't that just look cool? Sort of like oddly satisfying. The wheels are nice and soft. They're monster wheels. They're probably like 90 millimeters or something like that. You can see there's a lot of scratches right here. So we got this used off of eBay, and whoever was rocking it rode down some curbs and scratched it a few times. The first thing I did was like go right up and died, of course. And yeah, so that's about it. It has a little BMW symbol on the side of the truck right there, which is pretty rad. Shreds pretty well. Let's kill it.
I think this video is has too much absence of Fetty in the mini ramp.
I don't think it even can go in the mini ramp.
Oh, yes it can.
Fetty! Fetty! He can't hear us because the bees are in his ears.
Let's go get him, Dan.
Oh, sorry.
It seems he's scared of it or something.
He's trying to ignore us. That's it.
Oh, hey, Fetty. Hey, you got it.
I've seen everybody die.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine.
I finally found my legs.
So is Fetty gonna do this or? Go in the mini ramp. Yeah. Come on. Oh!
Yeah.
You left it.
Just blunt the fakie on that.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
good
go.
idea.
That's possible.
Oh no, Fetty.
You gotta keep it still somehow.
More people.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah, there you go. Teamwork.
Yeah.
Oh! Dude! You almost killed both of you guys.
No, it didn't kill me because it hit my knee.
Okay, I was the only one that did. Ah!
You pick me out every time.
Why are you guys not screaming? This is the scariest thing I've ever been through.
All right, next try. I wanted it.
Fetty, right here, $20.
Is your leg okay?
Yes, one.
Oh my god!
Everything is bleeding.
Why is Aaron the one screaming and Fetty freaking 50-50 in his leg?
I'm trying to put all my weight on Aaron. All right, I'm gonna land it.
You can do this on a coffin, but you can't do it on a BMW.
Oh, that was good.
Aaron like freaked out and moved his feet. Oh, I got scared. You scared me.
If you land it right here, I won't have to take the 20 that you owe me.
All right, full send. That's a lot better.
There's no commitment here, Fetty. No commitment.
No.
Someone's getting closer. Someone is getting closer.
I can't feel my legs.
All he needed was a
That's what I always say.
One more.
I touched my foot and still landed it.
Out more.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you go to Firework TV right now. Follow Braille Skateboarding. Make it the first thing you do. We have awesome original content on there. You won't be disappointed. Let's go.